What's up, guys? Big Mike here. I'm going to do a video on CRV. I'm going to use the weekly time frame. I do have a more in-depth count on the, let me just save this chart so I don't lose it. Where is it? Which is right here, where I've counted the waves. I've got it in a bunch of different parallel channels, and I have it breaking out. I have it inside of multiple larger parallel channels. But for the purpose of this video, I kind of want to stick to just the weekly, just because I think it's more obvious and it's more telling, I guess. The complexity of the daily and the 4 hours, I do, and I've got those counted. But for the purpose of this for the purpose of this video, just want to kind of illustrate what I'm seeing longer term. Where is it? I can never find what I'm looking for. Here it is. It looks like we're inside of a pretty defined parallel channel that we can draw something like this. Let's see, right like that. Kind of massage it a bit over there. And we've got some I'm all over the place. Sorry about that. And we've got some clear resistance and support here. The channel, the midline, the dotted blue line is obvious resistance. We can see it here multiple times. Resistance, 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 all over here, resistance, right? Support, resistance keeps failing. Even resistance here when it first opened onto the exchange. And then we've got support down here at $1.80, 44. This upward sloping channel has been strong support. So, this channel is pretty clear. If you're smart enough to buy down here and sell up here, it's been pretty lucrative. We've done it in my group a couple of times. I've got some free CRV that I'm rolling with, but I recently, back in November, I lured the group to buy it. In December, we sold it somewhere close to $5, and it ran up somewhere over here. And it ended up running all the way to almost 7. So we missed a bit at the top, but then it tanked, and we caught the bottom. So now we're back in. And, it just looks to me like it's in a constant correction. It can't get out of this channel. It can't get anything going. It's like 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C again. I know those lines are kind of, I'm not using the measurement tool for Elliot, but it's a series of threes. That's all I'm seeing. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, which on the weekly signifies there's no impulse. And there's so many coins that have already done impulsive moves off of the weekly in this bull market, and CRV hasn't. So in my opinion, CRV is really lagging. It's lagging big time. And I think it's going to break out soon. I think it's going to have a nice run. I think we're going to, we entered over here. I think it's going to make a push to the middle around $4. Retest the obvious resistance. Wave 3 can probably push somewhere close to the top, and then we'll break out. I think it's probably going to go close to 10. If you fib out this is theoretical, so if you fib it out, the 3 wave would, if the 1 wave on the weekly hits the middle trend, the middle of the parallel channel around 452, the 2 can dip lower, but I would say it probably will flip this area as support because this is strong resistance here at 340. So, we can expect a 3 to probably hit the top. Lines up perfectly, 722. Expect that to happen, and then probably reject back down, maybe hit the 1, which is at 574, and then make a run up here to the 216 for like a blow off top, which is at 962. Probably after that, ABC back down, retest the top of this channel, which will probably be over here somewhere at that point. Let me try to extend it. Yeah. I don't think it'll give us much of a retest on the breakout because it'll be in a 5, which will be a blow off. And then we'll get this retest after when everybody buys the breakout here. Once this breaks, everyone's going to know all-time high has broken right about here at 680. The 618 will be resistance, which is around 730, 720. So people will probably try to buy the breakout. We'll enter a wave 4, and then we'll get that big support when people capitulate and then blow off top to 5, and then finally retest the top of the parallel channel. So if that makes sense, once it retests the ABC here, likely it'll start a new uptrend. A, B, C, right? That would be a bullish correction after an impulse. So, my theory is much like Luna, much like Atom, much like ADA, like Solana, many of the DeFi coins had big breakouts in 2020 and 2021, especially Solana and Uni. All these coins have big breakouts where CRV is just sideways correcting, and it just looks like it looks to me like the whales or the MMs, whatever you want to call it, are keeping CRV inside of this parallel channel and accumulating it, so that when it blows, people will be shocked, and it'll happen so quick because it's been so boring for so long. $2, $3, pops at 7, everyone's excited, but then it nukes every time. So I don't know, just a theory. But as far as Elliot wave goes, it's very clear. There's nothing but 3 3 3s on the weekly. There's no 1 2 3 4 5, which is impulsive. So there's an impulse coming. Are we entering a bear market? Is it going to impulse back to 20, 30 cents? Is it going to break down below $2 and impulse down? I don't think so. I don't think we're in a bear market. I think the bottom's in. So I think it's more likely we're going to impulse out of this, especially in the next couple of months. So I'm bullish on CRV. I have my group buying back here at $2. I had them buy back here as well. Where was it? No, somewhere over here in November, I think. Yeah, it was around $2, $3. We rode it up to 5. It did blow off even higher. We missed a bit at the top, but then it nuked, so we were able to buy it back and keep profit. And this time, I think we're just going to let it ride a little bit longer. And I think, $9, $10 is an easy target. After that, the ABC, we reanalyze. $15 to $20 on the longer term charts look pretty obvious to me. So that's it, CRV. I'm bullish. If you want to, guys, DM me. I'll send you the link to my group. It's free to join, $50 a month for full access. Thanks for watching.